Hey guys, Corey here with the Rane DJ12. Today I'm going to show you how to easily adjust the feel of the platter by just simply adjusting the tension of the record on top. So we'll go over how to remove the record, swap out the slip mat underneath, and reattach the record to set it to the tension that you like to get the spin that you need. First thing you want to do is find that Allen wrench, that hex wrench that you get with the Rane 12. So find the hex screw on the side of the 45 adapter. That's what attaches it to the spindle. And go ahead and start loosening that. Now you want to loosen it just enough so that you can take the platter off of the spindle. So with the record removed, you can go ahead and remove the Rane slip mat that comes with the 12 and swap it out with one that you like. I'm going to swap it out with a butter rug, but feel free to use whatever you like. And if you don't have any, go ahead and leave that Rane slip mat on. It'll work perfectly well for what we're about to do. So when you go to put the record back on, find the cavity on the side of the spindle and line it up with the hex screw on the record. Double check that the 2mm hex screw and cavity are lined up before tightening so that the vinyl will lay flat on the platter. If not, it may appear warped or crooked and you may have trouble controlling your software. Start tightening the hex screw until you can confirm that it has connected with the cavity and will turn along with the spindle. You want to tighten it just enough so that it'll still move up and down when we lift it. So before we tighten it completely, if you press down on it while tightening, you're going to end up with a much heavier feeling platter with a lot less slip. So it's going to feel tighter. So if at any point you want to readjust, loosen the hex screw a little bit, just enough so that you can lift it. Lift up the record and retighten. You'll find that it feels a lot lighter and has a lot more spin. Most DJs might find what they prefer somewhere in between that, so try it a couple times and find what works best for you. You can get a huge difference of response with just a little bit of an adjustment. So that's it for this video. We'll come back with more for the 72 and the 12. Leave your comments and questions in the comment section below, and make sure to check the video description for links to other guides and tutorials. See you next time.